Hi there. One of the ways that you can get access to information that you can use inside of your AI tools is to find sources that are not available online or on the internet where they can be searched or crawled. If you have that source in a physical book, you can use a book scanning service to make the content available into a PDF. Now, there are several sources available, and before looking at the sources, you are going to want to make sure that you know the laws in your country, that you know the laws in your region, and you know the laws in your local area to make sure that it is legal for you to take a physical copy of a book that you own and turn that physical copy into a PDF. Most services that can scan your book cost effectively do what is called destructive book scanning. This means that the book that you send in will be destroyed by the company that provides you the PDF. This means then that you will actually have only one copy of your book. It may keep you within regulation. Once again, you are going to want to make sure that you know the laws where you live. Now, in some services, the PDF that you get will not have searchable text, so you are going to want to find a service that provides you searchable text. This will allow you to gain understanding of the material using tools like NotebookLM and the summary capability of ChatGPT. This is a case where you're going to want to find the most cost-effective solution, as well as one that is most reputable on review sites that you trust. One workaround to this process does have a cost associated with it, and that is to purchase a book scanner. The most well-known company for book scanning is CZUR, and CZUR does make scanning a book possible for individuals that own their own physical copy. There you have it, and I will see you in another video.